As the next part, we are going to learn how to insert a table. So open a LibreOffice Writer, Application, Office, LibreOffice Writer. Here we will learn how to include a table. In table menu, insert table. Then here I have to specify the number of columns and rows I need. So here I am giving 6 columns, 7 rows. Then click on the insert. So we have the columns and rows here. I am going to just create a timetable with 5 periods. So as the first part, I have to give a heading here. So I have to merge, or I have to make all the cells together. So for that, click and select all those cells which has to be merged. Then table menu, merge cells. So the cells what I have selected become a single cell. So now here we can type the heading timetable. Then to make it to center, here we have the various alignments. Click on the align center. Now we can give the headings, and here I am giving days here. Then if you want to align the whole text to the center of the cell, select the entire table and click on the align center option. Then if you want to give a color to our table, table menu, properties, then background, then color option, choose a color for our table and click on the OK button. Now you can see we have applied a color to our table. If you want to remove the color, select the entire table, then table menu, properties, and there you can give none. Okay. Now if you feel that you want to split this cell to 2, select the cell, table, split cells, and there we have to specify whether we have to split it horizontally or vertically. So I am choosing here vertically, and I am specifying the cell, split cells into 2, and click on the OK button. Now we can see the cell has been divided into 2. So if you want to remove, again select the cell, table menu, merge cell. Then if I have to include another row here, I want to give the headings. When you place your mouse pointer here, you can see it is changed. So click there, then automatically the entire row will be selected. Then I am going for table menu, insert, row above. So you can see another row has been included here. So I am merging all these things, all the cells. Then table menu, merge cells. I am giving the name as periods. And here I am merging this 2, and I am giving the days. Then if you want to include this text to the center, you have to select the cell, then right click on that cell, and there you can take the option table properties. Then here you have the alignment options. Then there you can take center, and under the text flow there is an alignment here. There also you have to take centered. Then we have to click on OK. Now we can see the text has been moved to the center of the cell. Now if you feel that you want to delete this cell, so what you have to do, select the cell, then table, delete row. Now you can see that row has been deleted. Then if you want to include another column, what you have to do, we have to select here, then table, insert, column to right. So you can see another column has been included here. Then here I am typing the text, information technology. If you want to make the column bigger, place your mouse pointer at the middle line, then you can see the mouse pointer has changed. Then press the left mouse button and drag it. So now you can see the size of the column has been changed. In the same way you can drag it this side to make it smaller.